In this section, we're going to learn how to use import to access other libraries in Python. These libraries contain more useful functions and tools for us to use in our own programs. In order to use a library, we first have to import it, like this. Import and library name. Now that we have the math library available, we can use the dot operator to access its useful functions inside. Let's try using the square root function in the math library, which finds the square root of a number. Again, to use a function inside a library, we first write the library's name, followed by a dot, followed by the function that we're trying to access. And now if we run this program, we can see the math library is able to calculate the square root of our number 36. If instead we tried to use the same code without first importing the library, Python would give us an error saying that it doesn't know what we're talking about. It looks something like this. Let's try one more example using a library called random in order to generate a random number between 1 and 10. So we can first import the library random, choose a random number between 1 and 10, and print the number. Notice every time we run this program, it gives us a different number between 1 and 10. The random.randint function takes two numbers as arguments. The first argument is the minimum value, and the second is the maximum value. Randint then chooses a random integer between those two values.